Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to Recipes Around the World. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make melon ball garnishes, okay? These are great garnishes if you're making any melon-based cocktails, melon balls, watermelons, any cocktails that have Midoris or melon ball liqueur. This is a great garnish to have ready to go, okay? So again, best practices is always good practice to have your garnishes made ahead of time before you make the cocktail. That way it's ready to go, not that you're making it as you make the cocktail, okay? So with me for this demonstration, I have a honeydew melon, which I've chopped already. I have a cantaloupe and I have sliced watermelon, okay? And I did it this way just to show you beginning, mid, end stage, okay? So let's get right to it. So with our cantaloupe, again, we're gonna cut down the middle. Okay, nice beauty. See there? I'm gonna scoop out seeds. And you can always, if you have a garden, you can plant these seeds later and grow your own. So it's always good to save them. Okay. Make sure you scoop out all the seeds. Same with this one. Okay, you can see. All right, and then it's pretty easy. Just cut down the side here. Nice big chunk we can use here. And then get your scooper. You can get these in any grocery store or liquor store, right? Looks like so. You're gonna use this end. Right? We're going to take a piece of fruit, we're going to scoop in and do a circle like so. See how that looks right there? Okay, let's get a few of these. See that action right there? Let's get a few, let's do three. Okay. All right, so we've done a cantaloupe. We're going to do the same with our honeydew melon as well. Let's just cut a big chunk, like so. And we're going to do the same action in, circle, like so. See? In, circle, like so. Okay? And then finally, we can do the same with our watermelon. So I have watermelon slices here. This is one. So I'm just gonna grab one like so. Put down here, just the side. So watermelon slice in. Oh, I made a mistake with this one. Oh, actually, I think I got it. Like so. Okay. Let's just do one more. Let's make a nice big piece. In. Circle. Like so. Okay. And then the final step. A nice toothpick, as you can see. We're going to slide in any order. Okay, slide your first piece, your second piece, and your third piece. Voila. See that? It's a nice garnish to go into your cocktail glass. And you can save a nice bowl like this for later. I'm gonna make about 10 or so of these and save for a video I'm actually gonna do later today, which is a melon ball cocktail, okay? So I hope you found this very informative and useful. Again, this is how to make a melon ball garnish, and I'll see you around in the next video in this series. Take care and cheers.